Direct, engaging tone. A developer highlights a block of code, opens the side chat, and types, "What does this function do?" Treating an advanced AI environment like a dictionary for syntax ignores its capacity for complex architectural heavy listing. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to execute a multi-file codebase refactor. We will migrate an entire application from Redux to Zustan using a single prompt, and we will secure the environment before writing a single line of logic. To follow along, you need 2 things. Have your Cursor IDE installed and open an existing Next.js or React codebase on your machine. Shifting your mindset from using a code explainer to commanding an orchestration engine allows you to direct complex changes across the entire codebase at once. Before we write logic, we secure the perimeter. Open your settings and toggle privacy mode. This ensures your proprietary enterprise code is never retained on external servers or used for model training. Next, we train the model for our specific workspace using a .cursor rules file. This file contains the project's technical specifications that the AI must reference before generating any code. Create this file right in your root directory. By populating it with the exact details of your tech stack, you define the boundaries of what the AI is allowed to write. Without these constraints, an AI will often default to generic or outdated syntax. Your rules file actively prevents this by forcing the model to adhere to your specific standards. Investing 60 seconds to define these rules now prevents hours of debugging and manual rewriting later in the development cycle. Standard AI models share a critical limitation: their training data cutoff dates. If you are working with a library that updated last week, the default model is already obsolete. You bypass this using the @docs feature. By typing the symbol and selecting docs, you can paste an external URL. The IDE immediately scrapes the documentation directly into its context window. The model reads the scraped documentation instantly. It uses the fresh syntax rules to write accurate logic based on the current state of the library. Injecting live external context removes the risk of generating deprecated code. Your project remains modern, regardless of when the base model was last trained. Imagine a legacy React application where the state management is bogged down by dozens of verbose Redux boiler files. Manually fixing this requires editing individual store files, updating hooks across every component, and hunting down broken imports one by one. Instead, press Command plus Shift plus I. This opens Composer. From here, we tag the entire codebase to give the AI full visibility of our project structure. We type our command, rip out Redux entirely, create a new Zustan store, and update specific components to use new hooks. The execution is immediate. The IDE drafts changes across the entire application concurrently, wires up new interfaces, and removes the legacy boilerplate. The final step is validation. You review the unified diffs, check the logic, and click Accept All to merge the changes. A massive refactor that traditionally takes hours of manual coordination is drafted and applied in under 45 seconds. Even with a successful refactor, you may run a build command and hit a wall of red compiler errors due to a hidden interface mismatch. Avoid the habit of copying that red text and pasting it into an external browser. This breaks your concentration and separates the error from the source code. The new workflow keeps you in the terminal. Hover directly over the error and click the embedded Debug with AI button. The IDE autonomously cross-references the terminal output with the specific file in your project to identify why the build failed. The fix is automatically staged in your editor. You apply the patch with a single keystroke and verify it with a successful build command. Treating compiler errors as auto-resolving tasks within the IDE protects your deep focus. By following these steps, you have moved from a cluttered Redux setup to a beautifully clean, error-free build. We secured the environment, provided a project-specific rule set, orchestrated a multi-file shift, and resolved compiler errors without leaving the editor. Moving forward, treat your IDE as an orchestration tool rather than a passive assistant. Give it specific documentation, set strict boundaries, and let it execute the repetitive labor. To practice these workflows, visit our interactive lab. You can clone a broken project and execute these commands yourself. Mastering these AI-native workflows allows an individual developer to execute architectural shifts that previously required an entire afternoon of manual coordination.